For motorcyclists, the open road has always had a strong attraction. It's an opportunity for freedom, adventure, and the exhilaration of having the wind in your hair. However, some riders place equal value on the trip and the destination. They long for an opulent journey where every mile is enhanced by luxury and state-of-the-art technology. If you belong to those group of cyclists, get ready to be amazed. We're going to explore the world of the priciest luxury touring bikes available right now. Put aside simplistic elements and sparse saddles. These vehicles are more than just motorbikes. They're rolling palaces with features that rival those found in cars, unmatched performance, and top-notch comforts. In today's video, we'll talk about 8 best luxury touring motorcycles. Number 8. Harley-Davidson CVO Road Glide. You could tell this Road Glide has every luxury feature you could want simply by looking at the CVO insignia. Together with seamless saddlebags that have been tested in a wind tunnel, there is the iconic shark nose fairing that turns heads. The ultra-modern cockpit behind the fairing has a 12.3-inch TFT screen with speakers on either side of it. Above the saddlebags are 2 additional speakers. Now let's talk about rider assistance. There are 5 riding modes available, 2 of which are fully adjustable. Aside from power delivery, these ride modes modify how this bike's basic reflex defensive rider system intervenes. The Harley-Davidson CVO Road Glide, priced at $44,500, features a Milwaukee 8 VVT 121 1982cc engine, generating 115 horsepower and 139 pound-feet of torque. It includes a 6-speed transmission and utilizes electronic sequential port fuel injection for efficient performance. Number 7. Indian Roadmaster Elite. Our next choice from the Indian inventory is the Roadmaster Elite, one of only 350 made globally. This motorcycle's red paint job pays homage to the 1904 Camelback, the first Indian motorcycle ever to be painted in the color red. The fairing, saddlebags, and trunk house 12 speakers, in addition to a 7-inch touchscreen that uses Ride Command for operation. The features package is completed with heated grips and seats that may be both heated and cooled. Meanwhile, a Thunderstroke 116 engine with 126 pound-feet of torque powers the core. The Indian Pursuit Elite is priced at $40,000 and is equipped with a liquid-cooled 1,768cc V-twin engine producing 122 horsepower and 128 pound-feet of torque. It features a 6-speed transmission and utilizes closed-loop fuel injection for precise fuel management and performance. Number 6. Harley-Davidson Tri-Glide Ultra. What could be the pinnacle of comfort for a rider? The solution is straightforward. The rider need not contend with the massive weight of touring motorcycles. If you fall into this category, the Harley-Davidson Tri-Glide Ultra is the perfect partner for you. Imagine having the confidence of 3 wheels, a well-padded seat, and a backrest while traveling the open road on a throne suitable for a king or queen. Along with having a robust audio system and a protective batwing fairing, you also get an integrated tour pack luggage that securely holds all of your touring necessities. The emphasis is kept on pure enjoyment with advanced safety measures and a smoothly shifting gearbox, and extended drives are made quite pleasant with cruise control as standard. The Harley-Davidson Tri-Glide Ultra is priced at $38,000, powered by a twin-cooled Milwaukee 8 114 engine, 1,868cc, producing 93 horsepower and 120 pound-feet of torque. It features a 6-speed transmission and utilizes electronic sequential port fuel injection for precise fuel management and optimal performance. Number 5. Honda Goldwing Tour Airbag Automatic DCT. The Honda Goldwing is an exceptional touring motorcycle that goes above and beyond. Imagine enjoying a full-color TFT display that keeps you fascinated while you cruise in ultimate comfort with a soft seat and integrated passenger grip handles. You can link your smartphone to your motorcycle and enjoy seamless music and navigation thanks to standard technologies like Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Engage the automatic DCT transmission and sit back as it smoothly swaps gears as the road opens up in front of you. Moreover, cruise control relieves you of the tiresome responsibility of maintaining speed. Savor the assurance of sophisticated braking systems and the security of an airbag for increased peace of mind. The Honda Goldwing Tour. airbag automatic DCT is priced at $33,000 and features a liquid-cooled 1,833cc six-cylinder engine producing 125 horsepower and 130 pound-feet of torque. It is equipped with a 6-speed transmission and utilizes programmed fuel injection for efficient fuel delivery and performance. Number 4. BMW K 1600 Grand America Option 719 Midnight. Custom paint jobs are rare on high-end touring bikes. However, BMW upped the ante with the K 1600 Grand America, which debuted water transfer paint technology. With 0.34 million stars, a whole galaxy is carried on the body of this special edition bike with a midnight theme. Aside from the design, the heated grips and seats allow you to ride in luxury while putting your feet on the flooring. You can easily access infotainment and navigation with a huge TFT display, and when you're speeding down the interstate, a top-notch audio system will make it sound like a concert. Together with dynamic traction control, hill start assist, and dynamic ESA guarantee a stress-free ride. The BMW K 1600 Grand America Option 719 Midnight is priced at $31,000 and features an oil/water-cooled 1,649cc six-cylinder engine producing 160 horsepower and 132.7 pound-feet of torque. It comes with a 6-speed transmission and utilizes electronic fuel injection for efficient fuel delivery and performance. Number 3. Ducati Multistrada VR4S Grand Tour. Redefining motorcycle touring, the Multistrada V4S Grand Tour is the epitome of elegance meets state-of-the-art technology. Utilize its 170 horsepower V4 engine to power through any journey, and the state-of-the-art Ducati Skyhook suspension technology will smooth out even the toughest terrain. Radar technology that comes standard with blind spot detection and adaptive cruise control enhances safety. You stay on course with the help of a full map navigation system and a 6.5-inch TFT full-color display with Ducati Connect. Heated grips and seats improve comfort at every mile, while integrated panniers provide plenty of storage for longer excursions. The Ducati Multistrada VE4S Grand Tour is priced at $28,500, equipped with a liquid-cooled 1,158cc VE4 engine, producing 170 horsepower and 92.2 pound-feet of torque. It features a 6-speed transmission and utilizes electronic fuel injection for efficient performance. Number 2. BMW R18 Transcontinental. With all the contemporary conveniences to make your trip an enjoyable experience, the BMW R18 Transcontinental combines a traveling experience with a timeless aesthetic. You're amused while driving thanks to a powerful Marshall sound system, a large windshield, and an excellent wind protection in the cockpit. Everything you want is shown on a massive 10.25-inch TFT display that takes up center stage in the cockpit. There is an optional radar-powered active cruise control system in addition to the conventional cruise control. It keeps the same speed and separation from the vehicle in front of it. All of your gear is swallowed by integrated panniers and a top box, and riding in the cold is made easier by a heated seat. 3 ride modes offer ideal power distribution based on your needs, while the strong 1,800cc engine gives smooth performance. The BMW R18 Transcontinental is priced at $24,000 and features an air/oil-cooled 1,802cc twin-cylinder engine producing 91 horsepower and 116 pound-feet of torque. It includes a 6-speed transmission and utilizes electronic fuel injection for efficient fuel delivery and performance. Number 1. Yamaha FJR 1300 ES. The Yamaha FJR 1300 ES skillfully combines long-distance comfort and high-tech luxury. With heated grips as standard equipment and an electronically adjustable windscreen, you can handle any weather situation in elegance. To fine-tune the ergonomics to your desired level of comfort, you may also change the handlebars up to 3 positions and the seat height by 0.8 inches. You may also change the damping of the electronically controlled suspension to suit the riding situation. With a wide range of technological rider aids, this bike also shines in terms of tech support. It has traction control, cruise control, and Yamaha's chip-controlled throttle, YCCT ride-by-wire system to provide a comfortable and enjoyable ride. The Yamaha FJR 1300 ES is priced at $18,500, powered by a liquid-cooled 1,298cc inline four-cylinder engine, generating 146 horsepower and 102 pound-feet of torque. It features a 6-speed transmission and utilizes fuel injection with YCCT for efficient and responsive performance. What are your thoughts? Let us know in the comment down below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for new upcoming videos of motorcycles. Thanks for watching.